What's the problem?
Nothing.
Can I see that?
I wanted it. Whose idea was it in the first place?
Yes, it was my idea, but you could have said no. मुझे भी मौके मिले 2 बार कुछ किया मैंने, but just look at you, look at the way you are licking her. I got turned down looking at that.
What?
More than I've ever been turned on by you, ever. Empty, just like my life.
पूछा मैं स्लो जाग जाएगा.
जगने दो. Let him also see what a life his parents have. The whole world is seeing us anyway. सब तो देख ही रहे हैं ना.
तो ये तुम्हें पहले सोचना चाहिए था. Before suggesting this bullshit idea, I warned you several times.
Yes, you warned me. But you know what? I think you secretly wanted this.
What?
You secretly wanted this because this is who you are, Pavan. You know, you're just like those filmy folks my parents warned me about.
Pooja, we are both from the film industry, and you attend more parties than I ever do. मैं तो कभी कभार जाता हूँ बस, और तुम जो है.
You know what? मैं जाती हूँ parties पे, जाती हूँ premieres पे. You know why? Because of you. मैंने ये जिंदगी, ये parties, ये premieres तुम्हारे लिए शुरू किए. I never wanted this life.
Pooja, if you shout one more time.
What do you do? What do you do? Can we hit you with this?
Pooja!
Hit my head with this.
Are you insane? What's wrong with you?
Insane? I'll see you what's insane.
Just stop it. What are you doing? Just stop it. Just sit down here, please. Please, just sit. Sure, आओ. कोई बात नहीं, सब ठीक. आ जाओ.
खबर आ चुकी है कि बॉलीवुड के जाने माने डायरेक्टर पवन मेहरा, जिनका वीडियो अब वायरल हो चुका है, डायरेक्टर पवन मेहरा पकड़े गए हैं रंगे हाथों एक एमएमएस क्लिप के साथ. आप देख रहे हैं कि आजकल
Good for God's sake, घर में बच्चा है.
जो बाहर शहरों से आती है अपना करियर
Please.
बनाने के लिए उनका फायदा उठाया.
मुझे अपने हस्बैंड का बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस देखना है. मेरे साथ तो कभी इतना पैशनेटली किया नहीं. दूसरों के साथ की हुई हरकत देख के दिल को तसल्ली दे देती हूँ कि मैं कितने टैलेंटेड आदमी के साथ बिस्तर शेयर करती थी.
What do you mean? What do you mean, Pooja? तुम्हारे साथ पैशनेटली नहीं किया. Pooja, I swear on Shlok, whenever we made love, you are the only one on my mind.
अच्छी लाइन है, लिख लो. जब भी दूसरी फिल्म बनाओगे ना, उसमें यूज कर लेना. You know something? I've never had an orgasm. I've been faking it the whole time. Do you know that? And every time after you do it, I wank myself to sleep. You cannot satisfy me. इसलिए मुझे ये डील चाहिए थी. I should have that Vishal and that Raj.
अब सच बाहर आया ना. करेक्ट.
एक और सच सुनोगे? एक और सच. I never wanted this marriage. Never. I could have done anything with my life. मैं जिंदगी में कुछ भी कर सकती थी. But I was a young girl, stupid girl in college, who fell for a filmy proposal by a filmy guy. I was stupid enough to believe, to think that my best friend can be an ideal husband. And I was stupid now to think कि ये partner change करने से शायद मेरी जिंदगी में प्यार आ जाएगा. You know, Pavan, I've never loved you. This whole thing has been an act.
Get out of here! You always wanted a divorce. From day one you wanted a divorce. In your heart of heart you always wanted it. तो तुमने सोचा इतना परफेक्ट हस्बैंड मैं लोगों को बोलूंगी क्या? डिवोर्स कैसे दूंगी? हाँ, तो ये बहाना करते. इससे क्या? I get to how many ever men that I want to, और साथ-साथ में he'll also feel guilty. Perfect. वो राजेश राम जो भी नाम है वो तो क्या और 4,000 5,000 हजारों के साथ किया होगा. तुम जैसे लोगों को जानता हूं मैं.
Shut up!
और सुन रहा तुम्हें? You want to hear more? Huh? Kamini na, you're the best of my life. और उसको वाला, you know what I was thinking all the time? I was thinking कि मैंने तुम्हें अपने गले में क्यों बांध रखा है? I'm so good in bed. I would have had 100 such Kaminis. But what I'm doing all my life? What am I doing? What I'm doing is trying to get in hung from an old damn hag. Listen, I didn't mean to say that. I'm really sorry. I'm really, really sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that.
It's okay. I want a divorce. I want a divorce, Pavan.
एक मिनट वहीं पे रुकना प्लीज। आ जाओ। मोनी आप जरा ये साफ कर देना। हाँ, सब माल के पीछे चले।